Can employer withhold the employee's passport without his consent? Simple answer is no, because holding passport is illegal in UAE. This can result in a fine or a jail term. Now let's dig this topic in more detail in today's video. Hello everyone, my name is Shoaib. I am an Indian qualified lawyer working in UAE since last 12 years. It is widespread practice by UAE companies to retain the passport of the employees. They justify this action by saying that they are retaining the passport for safekeeping. But in fact, they want to control the movement of the employee. So whether the retaining of passport is justified? Simple answer is no. A passport is technically a property of the government that has issued it. The wording to this effect can also be found on each passport. The passport should always be in the custody of the holder or a person authorized by the holder. No employer can retain the passport without the express written consent of the employee, and the employer must return the passport when a request is made of its return from the employee. Now let us look at the legal provisions. Circular number 267 of 2002 issued by the Ministry of Interior of UAE prohibits the practice of employers forcefully withholding the passport of its employees. The passport can only be detained by the judicial authorities in accordance with the provisions of law. Generally, the passport can be confiscated by the order of the public prosecutor or the court. The UAE government is also signatory to International Labour Organization's Convention on Abolition of Forced Labour. Employers withholding the passport of the employee is also a violation of the provision of this convention. UAE government is very strict in enforcing the right of the workers to have free access to their passports. The employer may sometime require the passport for visa issuance, visa renewal or cancellation purposes. But once the work is done, they must immediately return the passport to the employee. Upon employee's request, if they fail to return the passport, then this is considered as a breach of trust. Breach of trust is a criminal offense in UAE, and if proven in the court of law, it carries a punishment of jail term or a fine, and in some cases both. If the employer refuses to give the passport to the employee can approach a police station and file a complaint or open a case against the employer with the Ministry of Human Resources and Amortization. The ministry is authorized to put additional sanction and penalties on the employers for not returning the passport. I hope I have addressed this query, and if you have any more queries, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you.